It looks like smoke, but it's actually one of the cleanest and safest cleaning technologies ever made. This process is called dry ice blasting. Instead of using water or harsh chemicals, it uses small pellets of solid carbon dioxide, better known as dry ice, cooled down to about minus 78 degrees Celsius. These tiny pellets are blasted at high pressure onto the surface. When they hit dirt, grease, or paint, they instantly freeze and crack the contaminant, then sublimate into CO2 gas, leaving no moisture or residue behind. The result is a perfectly clean surface without abrasion or corrosion. That's why dry ice blasting is often used to clean engines, molds, and electrical components safely, eco-friendly, efficient, and completely dry cleaning technology.